Louder eater.
Put him on the ruler.
Don't pull that stuff on me.
Got a 16, but he is fat.
16, 16 and a half. He didn't pinch his tail.
Right to, yeah, hold him out to me a little more. Look at that. All right, let him go.
Yay!
Just toss him.
Bye, buddy.
Oh, no. I got him.
I got him.
Dude, did you get that on video, babe?
Yeah.
Dude. Put together a nice video.
Smalley, 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 smalley.
Nice.
Dude, these smallies have been crushing this. I tied this up yesterday.
You're gonna bump.
Little craft fur, little squeamish fly. Real nice molly.
Heck yeah.
Alright, I'll take this down into here. Nice. Oh, eat it! Oh! Right when I freaking turned the camera on. Dude, he wants to eat it again. Oh, dude! There's 4 or 5 of them, dude. They want to eat that. Eat it. Eat it. I got the camera on you. Eat it. Those are nice fish. Eat it. Eat it. Oh, yeah.
Good job, Riz.
I'm
Yeah!
gonna get stung.
And we got it on film, too.
You got a net?
Yeah.
You had the GoPro on?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, dude. That's a good swallow.
The GoPro on?
Hold him up high, baby. To me, straight out to my face. Big old Smalley. Love him. See you, buddy.
Oh my god, dude, this is the biggest smallmouth of my life! Oh my god. I watched him come a mile for this one.
The cold, cold breath. No, I could have cut me up and passed me all around. From my brain,
Oh my God.
the blind can have my eyes and the deaf to take. Oh, to my ears, if they don't mind the size.
Yeah, dude! Woo!
That is a freaking 4-pounder. Oh my god.
Look at this, Riz.
Here, you ready? Lift that up here. Oh, man. You ready? Look at that West Virginia smallmouth. Probably a 2.5, 3-pounder, 16-incher. Stud. You ready for a release?
Go.
You ready? Oh, that felt so good. I watched that fish come a mile away. As soon as I hit the water, that thing,
How to get the raft over this dam. There's no access that way. Nothing but a narrow, crazy waterfall that way. So we have emptied the raft of everything. Here goes nothing. It's about a 10, maybe 12-foot drop. Nice. Nice and steady. Great job, Doug and Bo. Champs. Guys, good save. Oh. What's Doug gonna do? Doug looks like a real mountain man. Oh, please don't jump, Doug. What's his next move? Oh gee, I'm scared for his life right now. Where's he gonna go? Nice.
time to hose off the boat. Hose off the boat, Doug. Just hose it off.